In the fight against excess kilograms, slimming drinks play an important role. In the modern world, obesity is becoming a problem for an increasing number of people, regardless of age, gender or social status. Sedentary work, a sedentary lifestyle, a huge number of places for a snack on the run sooner or later lead a person to increase in body weight. Fighting excess weight has subsequently become a priority in many countries around the world. The use of beverages for weight loss also promotes body cleansing, the restoration of health and elevated standard of living. It is not a secret to anyone that it is much more difficult to lose weight than to gain some. To cope with this difficult task, you need exercise, fitness, a balanced diet, as well as tasty and healthy drinks for weight loss. Everyone who has faced the problem of excess weight begins their path to weight loss with attempts to limit themselves in what concerns food. But often, this method does not bring the desired result. What in this case, does a person need to achieve their weight loss goal? They are going to seek additional means that will help get rid of the life-threatening kilograms. First of all, this will come in the form of sports. And secondly, it will be a diet tailor-made for their own body. One contribution to that diet is provided by fat-burning drinks. They are low-calorie, taste good, and are easy to make. There are some simple rules for the use of beverages for weight loss. To achieve a positive result with the use of beverages that help to get rid of extra kilograms, it is desirable to adhere to some completely uncomplicated rules. 1. The slimming organism is susceptible to dehydration, which is why it is necessary to drink at least 2 to 2.5 liters of liquids per day. 2. To achieve a long-term result, all fat-burning drinks should be taken in strict dosages and preferably, on an ongoing basis. 3. During the diet, tea, preferably green, and natural ground coffee are allowed without the addition of fatty cream and sugar. 4. All nutritionists, without exception, have ruled against the intake of liquids during meals. It is better to drink a glass of water half an hour before a meal or an hour after. 5. In order to avoid edema, do not drink any liquids just before bedtime. 6. Slimming drinks should be consumed 3 times a day preferably. Types of drinks for weight loss. Drinks that effectively fight excess weight are special herbal teas with spices and honey, fruit and vegetable cocktails, berry smoothies, and a novelty that has recently made its way into the world of slimming, sassy water, named after the nutritionist who created it. It should be noted that, along with the consumption of these drinks, not only does one lose weight, but the human body will also be relieved of any slag, the antioxidants will eliminate toxins, the metabolism will be accelerated, the digestion process will improve, and, as a result, the person will feel an unprecedented burst of energy. Recipes for weight loss drinks. Recipe 1. The Miracle Sassy Water. There's nothing complicated about sassy water. To make it, you need a couple of liters of pure still water, a ginger root, fresh mint or melissa, a small cucumber and lemons. Prepare it in the evening, so that during the night, it has infused and absorbed all the useful substances, and enjoy a fresh and healthy drink the next morning. All of the solid ingredients must be thoroughly washed, crushed and mixed with the 2 liters of water. That's it, the drink is ready. Keep sassy water preferably in a cool place. Every night, you will have to prepare a new portion of the cocktail. It is recommended to drink it the next morning on an empty stomach. The first portion is 1 glass, then, during the day, you need to drink the rest of the mixture. The ingredients in the drink have a beneficial effect on the body. The fiber-rich cucumber kills the feeling of mild hunger and slows down the transformation of carbohydrates into fats. Recipe 2. Green Herbal Cocktails. The Green Herbal Cocktail is jam-packed with vitamins, antioxidants, amino acids, macro and micronutrients. To make this truly healing drink, you need a set of your favorite fresh herbs, a little water, a blender, any vegetables or fruits, cucumbers, tomatoes, asparagus, broccoli, bell peppers, avocados, apples, grapefruit, kiwis. A pinch of spice, a mixture of peppers or Provençal herbs would be great for a vegetable cocktail, cinnamon, vanilla, ground sweet paprika, cloves and other seasonings. All of the prepared ingredients should be simply ground in a blender, then half of the result splashed with water and put in a refrigerator for a while. This green cocktail fights off hunger well and can easily be used as a pre-lunch snack. Recipe 3. Beetroot and carrot apple juice with celery. In the application of beet juice, one very important point needs to be considered: this juice cannot be consumed in its pure form, in order to avoid problems associated with cardiac activity and digestion. To accustom the organism to beet juice, it is necessary to up the dose gradually, starting from 50 ml and diluting it with juice or water. So, for the preparation of beetroot carrot apple juice, you will need beets, carrots, green apple, celery and pure filtered water. All of the ingredients must as usual be ground in the blender, splashed with water and left in the cold for a couple of hours. You can drink this juice throughout the day. This super useful cocktail will contribute to the removal of toxins, cleanse the vessels, improve the general condition of the body and fill it with energy. The use of beverages for weight loss has a beneficial effect on the human body, helps it get rid of excess weight and accumulated slag, and also improves mood and appearance. Stay fit, stay healthy. Thanks for watching.